want to unlock the secrets of the tarot? Or have you always been curious about the mystical world of tarot? Hey friends, welcome to my channel Mahanvi Tarot. Tarot cards have been used for centuries to gain insight into the future. Subscribe to my channel to learn how to read tarot cards. Like the video as a token of appreciation. Let's start today's learning.
Introduction. Today, we are going to be exploring the Lover's Tarot card, a symbol of love, relationships, and choices. Overview. The Lover's card is often depicted as a man and a woman standing beneath an angel or Cupid, representing the divine influence of love. It can represent a time when you are faced with an important decision or crossroads in your life and must choose between two paths or options. This could be a decision related to relationships, career, or personal growth. The Lovers can also indicate a need for balance and harmony, particularly in the realm of relationships. This card can represent a time of deep connection and intimacy with the partner, or a need for greater understanding and communication in your relationships. The Lovers is also associated with the zodiac sign Gemini, which is known for its intellect, versatility, and adaptability. This card can therefore represent a need for intellectual and mental stimulation, or a time for exploring new ideas and perspectives. Symbolism. The Lover's card is often depicted with a tree or fruit in the background, representing the Garden of Eden and the choice between good and evil. The man and woman are often shown naked, representing their vulnerability and openness to each other. The angel or Cupid represents the divine influence of love and the importance of making choices that align with our higher selves. Meaning. When the Lover's card appears in a tarot reading, it can indicate a need to make a choice in a relationship or a decision that will impact your love life. It can also represent a deep connection with another person or a need to open yourself up to love and vulnerability. It can also indicate a need for self-reflection and self-discovery. This card can represent a time for exploring your own needs and desires and making choices that align with your values and passions. Conclusion. So there you have it, the Lover's Tarot card. Whether you're facing a decision in your love life or seeking to deepen your connection with another person, this card can provide valuable insights and guidance. This card is a powerful and transformative card that reminds us of the importance of choice, balance, and harmony in our lives. It encourages us to follow our hearts and make choices that align with our true selves. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.
Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next video.